Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel. This video is to share the layouts that I completed in the month of December. Before we get started, yes, my voice sounds funny. I came down with a bad cold virus Christmas Eve night. Can you believe it? And I'm still recovering. It turned into strep throat. And I'm still trying to get my voice back, but I wanted to share these layouts. I do have process videos for every one of them. I completed 16 12 by 12 layouts, 12 6 by 8 layouts for 12 days of Christmas, and 4 cards. Every one of them have a process video, so just go to my channel to see how I created that. Hear the story behind the photograph, and you'll get more information because I can't stay up this video because of my voice. I may lose it, so I have to move very quickly, but I have process videos and I'll try to remember which ones for you to go look at. Alright, so we'll start out with the 12 by 12 layouts. This one here I completed for let's see, was this for, this was not for Multi-Photo Monday. This is for Mini Kit Monday. All right, so this would be layout number 2, and again, that would be posted in December. This is, like I said, layout 2 for Mini Kit Monday. This is layout number 3 for Mini Kit Monday. I used a lot of ephemera on this page, and just big sheets of paper, scrap papers for the background. This would be layout number 4 for Mini Kit Monday, and I used my scallop circles here. You know what? I may have gotten this mixed up, but it is for Mini Kit Monday. This may have been layout number 3. I think this was layout number 3. Alright, in this one I used my circle punch and made scallops. And like I said, there is a process video for Mini Kit Monday in the month of December. This is another layout I created using my Mini Kit Monday kit. There is not a process video for this layout. This was just like a bonus layout. Then this was a photograph on Christmas Day in 2018. So this is me, my little guy, and then of course my handsome husband. Alright, this layout here was completed for Multi-Photo Monday, posted the 3rd Monday of December. So I documented 4 photographs of my little guy when he turned 10 in 2018? Yeah, 2018. I really love how this turned out. Used some mixed media, used some rub-ons, even covered up some of my rub-ons. Love how I did that layout. Alright, this layout was posted December 15th, and this was created for Everyday Inspiration. And there's 6 of us ladies, and we every month post on the 15th of each month, and we snap a photograph of something that we see in our everyday life, and we use that as our inspiration piece. Well, this month we decided to scrap one another, and I scrap lifted Crystal with pineapple papers. And this was a scrap lift of her layout back in March of 15th. But there's a process video on my channel, December 15th. Alright, this layout was for Oh So Inspired. Yes, this is a busy, crazy, artsy type layout, and I love doing that sometimes. Now it does take away from the photograph a little bit, but this was also posted December 15th. And this gold that I scribbled here, I took that inspiration off of our inspiration piece for Oh So Inspired on December 15th, and I used Nuvo drops in, let me tell you, mustard gold. It's beautiful gold. And use some Vicky Booten. But there's a process video. Alright, this one I created for the collective, and this is posted on the 3rd Wednesday of each month. And the idea is to work through a collection that you have or a manufacturer with a variety of different collections. So this is my final layout using my Pink Fresh Studio grab box from March of 2019. For January, I'm moving on to Maggie Holmes. I did a block design with lots of clustering on my blocks. All right, this layout was created for Off the Board, where we take something from Pinterest account that we've pinned and we scrap lift it. And this was posted on the last Wednesday of the month, which would have been Christmas Day. And I took a chipboard and I used embossing powder and I embossed this word Frosty the Snowman. And that's my little guy and his friend creating a snowman for our neighbors. Love that layout. All right, these next few layouts here, I think there's 7, I created these layouts using the Urban Workshop Kit from Close to My Heart. I am a consultant and I will have my link listed below. And this is the first time me taking a workshop kit and creating my layout, and I always put my twist on it. You don't have to do that. You can follow it step by step. The instructions are very they're easy to follow, but a little bit time consuming because you are cutting up a lot of paper, but then the layouts come together easily. All right, and it gets you to use your stamps and your inks, which I love, which I also added splatters. So this is layout number 1, and this is my little guy with our dog, which is Bojo, so that's why I thought it was fitting to use just the guys, and I will do some journaling on here. This is a double spread layout, and this is the left side of my layout. Again, it's on my channel. This would be the right side. I'll try to put this here like this real quick. Oops, I'm sorry. I said right. I got it. Well, no. Did I get this? Yeah, you can put it this way, like that, or you can put it in your album this way, and I may put it this way. This is the completion of our deck, but this is the starting. So, but I kind of like how it goes like this. But anyway, that's a double spread, so that's 2. And this is a double spread, so this is one side. And this is on Mother's Day weekend. My little guy plays soccer, and it just poured and rained. And that is the second page to it. Love how this turned out. And that would be how it would turn out. And of course, this is me standing in the rain, and I am cheering those kids on. All right, and this is the last double layout, and this is me taking a walk up in North Carolina in the mountains. We have a property up there, and I'm walking down to the New River, and I document that here, and it's raining. And I put a little bit too much splatters here, but I was kind of mimicking the rain. I didn't want white, so I just went kind of like the tone on tone look. And that's the double side. When I got down to the New River, the bridge was overflowing, the river was overflowing and starting to flood the bridge, which was a common occurrence for a couple of years. And so those are the 12 by 12. These are the cards I made using the Urban collection from Close to My Heart. These are more like masculine, which is great because I have a nephew that is off to college and feeling kind of, homesick from his family. So I was glad to be able to make these cards so I can start sending him some cards maybe once a week. So I have these already made. And then for the 12 days of Christmas, excuse me here, I forgot to get this out. I'm not going to take them out of the sleeves, but here are the quickly the layouts that I created so far. I still have to get on to finishing this because I go all the way to Christmas, and this is a sample of some of my cards I made, tissue paper I used, and I just got to get my photographs printed. All right, so I definitely had a busy month and brought everyone lots of inspiration. Keep coming back for the month of January. I'll have more layouts to share with you. All right, I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way.